Hi guys, I am into AI and machine learning and I have made very great projects and put them into my resume and I got very positive reviews and feedback from the recruiters. You can get the idea from that. Let's today see how they will work and what I have made.
So I will not say these projects will get you into top tier companies, but it helps me a lot into internship and reaching out to peoples. And whoever recruiters see my projects, and they have said that my resume and my project is pretty great. So let's get into the resume. Yeah, so this is my resume. You can see, but our main thing we need to go into the projects. So my very first project is this AI driven financial fraud detection. So as you can read the name, that it will detect a transaction is fraud or not. So I have stored all three projects into the CV projects main folder. So let's first test this fraud analysis. So for financial fraud detection, this is our UI, transaction fraud detection, and these are the input details which we have to fill about the transaction. So I have a dummy data written here, so I will put that, and let's click on the predict fraud risk. So as you can see, this is a fraud transaction which is a dummy data, and it flagged as the fraud that 99.71%. And another thing that I have done exclusively is that I have written analyzed this amount through the generative model, AI model, and it will not only flag the transaction as fraud or legitimate, but it will also give you the summary that why this model is flagged this amount as legitimate or fraud. So this is my one of the first project in machine learning, and I have trained it on XGBoost. So after the fraud detection, our another project is PageSense, but let's see this first. Insight Lens. It is a research document which I have told you about in my early videos. That is a multimodal RAG system. If you have RAG systems in your resume as project, so make it multimodal, otherwise it will look like an prototype, simple prototype. So another project is this Insight Lens, which I have told you about in my earlier videos, that it is a multimodal RAG system which not only understand the text but also the images and charts. So let's also test it main.py. So this is the minimal UI which we will upload an document here, and let's see, I have one document PDF. I don't know, it's a random PDF. This is the PDF, and we will test it on this graph that is named as Poppet model. It's processing the document. It will take time because it will extract the images and summarize them through vision model. As you can see, our document PDF is uploaded, that is this, and let's test it. As you can see here, top level of Poppet model is organization. Let's see it will reply or not. The top level of Poppet model is organization. As you can see here, it is organization. So it is working properly, and here you can change the document to a different PDF file. So after the Insight Lens, one of our project is remains, that is PageSense. It's a very exciting project because it is not a simple RAG system or something like chatbot, but it is an extension which we can use in the Chrome or web browser. Let me show you how it is. This is our another project, PageSense RAG extension. Let's run it. First we need to go in the web browser and add the extension first, that is load unpacked and document stuff CV projects RAG extension, and this is the extension folder which we need to add, and it is added successfully. Now run the backend server, that is this. we need to go on any kind of website, like let's get to my website. So look, this is my personal portfolio website. You can go on this URL to check it out. It is great, like UI is great. And let's test our extension now. This is the extension. As you can see, the name page sense, which means it will sense the web page which you are currently on. It will extract all the information from the web page and generate its embeddings, and it works as RAG system. So let's ask it. So it is my personal portfolio website on which all the information about me is shared. So let's ask it. As you can see the response here, Jayesh Vishwakarma is an AI/ML developer who specializes in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So this helps in like switching to tabs when you are like researching or learning something. I think that is the one of my that is one of my great project I have done. So these was all my projects in the resume that you can see here, and all the GitHub links of these projects I will share in the description. You can go and check it out and comment if you like want any help